The union command in Splunk is used to combine different data sources by merging results from various indexes, source types, or search criteria into a single dataset. The union command merges results from different searches into one combined result set. It supports combining data across multiple indexes, source types, or distinct search criteria for comprehensive analysis. A basic example of using union is to search for error events in the web logs and merge them with error events from the application logs by placing the second search inside brackets after the union command. Union can merge data from different source types, such as combining access combined logs with error logs, to produce a unified view of disparate data sources. Union merges result sets from multiple searches without removing duplicates. It combines data from different indexes, source types, or search criteria. Subsearches inside brackets allow multiple search inputs. The fields from combined results are merged, and missing fields appear as null. An example of combining different indexes is merging sales data with marketing data logs to get a unified dataset for analysis. This allows you to explore and correlate information across various business functions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.